pre-register. So I've actually like registered a lot of people to vote like in the past 5 years or so. With head count. So yeah, that's the organization I'm partnered with. I'll tell you a little bit about it. Where I go to like events like all around New York City. So like I went to Voting Loud, Global Citizen Festival.
For free?
For free, yeah. And I was able to register. Yeah, I was able to register people to vote, and it was super fun because I got to really talk to people about like their views and their ideals about like why they want to vote and stuff. So basically, right here, this is a picture of like the New York State voter registration form. And actually, a fun fact, it was actually not really fun, it's actually kind of sad. New York State is like the second to lowest, I think, state under Kentucky. We have the lowest youth voting turnout. So like, we're really bad. Like, our youth turnout for voting is like, we need to change it. So, so right here, so the qualifications. So the first two boxes where it says like, are you a citizen of the U.S.? You should have to like check off yes, but I know for sure like in the area that we're in, like today in New York City, like there's a lot of immigrants coming from all over the world. So
I'm wondering, should we actually, since almost everyone in this room can pre-register, should we have them fill out the form along with you?
Just so they could,
yeah. If you're 16 or 17 years old, you can fill out this form right now.
Yeah.
If you're not, unfortunately, it's not yet.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Should we like walk around and like help them? Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, probably. Maybe like we'll have everyone. You can talk it through, and then they can do it.
Yeah.
What?
We just
Are you
wanted you
guys
to see
ready?
it.
Guys, so listen up. We're gonna like
Maybe not such a good idea.
we're gonna take steps for you to do this.
Yeah, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Raise your hand if you need a pen or a pencil.
Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna explain it. So I know there's probably some questions you guys have, like, like why is this here, why is that there, and then, all of your questions will be answered. So.
Yeah, so unfortunately, if you're undocumented, you cannot register to vote right now.
Yeah. So as you can see, like on your papers, like your last name, first name, fill that out. If you don't have a middle name, then obviously don't worry about that. But if you do, put your like first, middle name, initial, and then your birthday, your telephone. I would say you should put your telephone number. And if you don't have a phone, you could put like either your mom's number, just the best, or your dad's number, someone's number, so it's like easy to get in contact with you if there's like something wrong. Your address. So your address. So the address where you may receive mail, maybe like 2 different places, so just make sure to indicate that.
And you skip that if you don't have a different. I don't think any of you would have a different address, so you probably skip that one.
And then voting history, check that off. Voting information has changed, so like if you're like had a name change or something, or if you change your address, then make sure to fill that out. And then guys, pay attention up here. The box number 12, this is like the most important box. So if you have a New York State DMV number, that should be located, I think, at like the top right of your New York State ID. But if you don't have that, then you should fill out the last 4 digits of your social security number. So if you don't know either of these things, then we could talk about that. And then your political party. So there's several different political parties, like Democratic, Republican, Independent. But if you want to be able to vote in the presidential elections, you have to either check off Democratic or Republican Party.
In the primary.
In the
for
primaries,
that.
yes, in the primaries, and
But you can also leave that. You could put I do not wish to enroll in a party.
Yeah, if you don't.
And then you can change it later.
Yeah, you can change it later. And then in the affidavit, you just sign today's date. Make sure you write the full date. Today's what 1/24/2020. So.
I would say going back though, just if you don't enroll in a party, you won't be able to vote in the primary. So that's an important thing to know, because when you say go back, it's confusing to go back. You'd have to fill out your paperwork all over again. Right. So we would encourage you
just
to.
In case.
Yeah.
I have a question about that. Can people use this form to change party affiliation? So I know in the last primaries, a big challenge was that a lot of people who would vote under the Democratic primary were registered as independents. So can they use this form to change party affiliation?
Yes, they're able to. If you want to change your party, if you had a recent name change, or if you change your address, you can use this form to change your information. So that's why like you kind of have to like re-register if those, any of those 3 things have occurred. Any questions from here?
For this, do we just like mail it in? Is that what this is?
We'll take it.
Yeah, we'll take it.
And we'll mail it off.
Alright.
If you've already put in your ID number.
Yes, that's a great, so let's just to say that if you have your driver's license or the last 4 digits of your social security number, turn it in today so that we can send it in and get you going. If you don't, you'll want to bring it home, but put it someplace safe. Like it, you know, how things start to float around in the bottom of your book bag, and a year from now you see it there and you think, what was that? Did I fill it out? So really make sure to prioritize
And then
it.
do we mail it in?
And then yes, and there's no, you'll see it says no postage necessary, so you can send it from anywhere.
Is there any questions? So if you can't fill everything out right now, you can take it home and you can seal it by yourself and put it inside a mailbox. You don't have to have a stamp. You can just seal it and then put it in the mailbox. So
You
no
guys don't have
questions?
any questions over here in this table? We're good. For party?
No, what is it? What is the difference? Because you, like, what is I only know Democratic Republican.
So, you want to talk about that?
I
I mean, like, if
What's your
you,
question?
she's talking about the parties.
So the party is these two. I don't know.